Welcome my dear students of class 9th. Dear students, I am Rajendra Rai from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, I have completed all the chapter for this current session, that is 2020 and 21, and now starting the question answer, starting the questionnaire, question answer, and by the practicing these question answer you will be able to answer in perfect way, in the right way, in the good way. So let us see some questions that has been taken from the chapter 1, that is cell. The question that is, who first discovered the cell? Question number 1, who first discovered the cell? Answer is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke first discovered the cell. Question number 2, that is, which type of cell is found in bacteria and blue-green algae? Which type of cell is found in bacteria and blue-green algae? Blue-green algae. Answer: prokaryotes. Bacteria are prokaryotes and blue-green algae are eukaryotes. Question number 3, that is coming. Write the full form of ATP. Full form of ATP. And the full form of ATP is, answer is adenosine triphosphate. Dear student, next question, that is, write the names of the cell organelles. So you have to write the name of the cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and so many cell organelles that you can write in the series. Now next question, that is, is the cell wall living or dead in plants? Is the cell wall living in the plant cell? Answer is cell wall is made up of cellulose, and it is dead. That is the outer covering, that is the dead material. Next question, that is chloroplast is non-living structure? No, chloroplast is found in the cell as the cell organelle, and that is the living organelle. Next question, which cell organelle releases the energy in the form of ATP? Means which cell organelle is called the powerhouse of the cell? Means mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, and it releases energy. It releases energy in the form of ATP. My dear students, so many questions are there that you will find during the practice of the questionnaire, and let us some other examples, some other questions like who coined the word cell and how? The word cell, that is derived from the Latin word cellula, and this word is coined by the scientist whose name is A.V. Leeuwenhoek. He coined the name cell. What is the cell theory? The cell theory is proposed by the Sladen and Shaw, and it says that all living organism is made up of cells, that is the unit structure, and every cell arises from their pre-existing form. What is a cell? Describe its shape and size. The cell, that is the unit structure of the living organism, and it's, as far as shape is concerned, it is found in different shapes: elongated, round, oval, polygonal, hexagonal, trigonal, etc. As well as it is the elongated, and as far as size is concerned, the smallest cell, that is PPLO, and largest cell, that is the ostrich egg. So dear students, so many questions are there that you will find this as the questionnaire. My dear students, in the next video you will be able to see some other questions also. Thank you very much. Have a good day.